If you are a DIY creator here on YouTube and you have under 1,000 subscribers, then I invite you to join my Small Creator Sunday Challenge. This month, my co-hosts are Kshitij of DIY Savvy Mommy and Tammy with the Rusted Willow. The rules for participation are super simple. Make sure you're subscribed to me and to my co-hosts. Leave our links and the link to the playlist in your description box. Also, be sure that you mention it in your video. Use Small Creator Sunday in your title. And make sure that your video goes up no earlier than noon Central Standard Time on June 20th, 2021. YouTube likes it when all of our videos go up together at the same time. It really helps boost our playlists up through the algorithm, and that's what we want, is we want our videos to be seen. The theme for this month is Summer Lovin, which means your DIYs must be summer themed, summer related. You can also participate on Instagram. Just use the hashtag SmallCreatorSunday. If you plan to attend, message me on Instagram and I can add you to my group chat for Small Creator Sunday. I hope to see you guys there.